Bano bayidde tubalina batuuse we tubeetaaga wulira gw'embaga.
Gen Muhoozi fires US indicted Katungi. The chairman of the Patriotic League of Uganda, PLU, Gen Muhoozi Kainerugaba, has dismissed his director of external affairs after the United States indicted him on allegations of smuggling arms and narcotic drugs to Mexican cartels. Lieutenant Atidi Michael Katungi Mpiawe, one of the PLU's founding members and a member of its Central Committee, was relieved of his duties on August 14 through a social media announcement by Gen Muhoozi. I have decided to remove Michael Katungi as Commissioner External Affairs of PLU. He is also removed as a member of our Central Committee. From now on, only the chairman will appoint the foreign committees of our movement, Gen Muhoozi posted on X. Gen Muhoozi had appointed Lieutenant Katungi as Commissioner of External Affairs for the MK movement on January 18, 2023. When the movement later rebranded as the PLU, Katungi retained the role. The U.S. Attorney's Office last month indicted Lieutenant Katungi alongside Bulgarian National Peter Dimitrov Marchov, Kenyan National Elisha Odhiambo Asumo, and Tanzanian National Subiro Osmond Mwapinga. The U.S. alleges that since at least September 2022, the group conspired to supply military-grade weaponry, including machine guns, rocket launchers, grenades, night vision equipment, sniper rifles, anti-personnel mines, and anti-aircraft weapons.
Finally, we are here. Ojjukira Muhoozi yavaayo n'amanyira ambassador wa US mu Uganda. Ebigambo byayogeranga namwe nakuwa esawa 24 nga afulumye Uganda n'atafuluma. US newereza ekiwandiiko ng'emulabula asibe ku mawuye alekerawo akajanja ako kabadde awalampanako. Now here we are. Finally, they are getting the man. This gentleman, Katungi, is Muhoozi's envoy. Now arrested for smuggling guns, night vision, blah blah blah. Nga babitwala eri mu bayeekera Haiti olowooza n'abaddamu wa sente Katungi abadde azijjawa zaagulamu ebyokulwanyisa mu US n'abitwala eri mu Batujju. Kitegeeza ono boy yafandinga. Onfunye soka ulirize embaga.
To the cartel de Jalisco Nueva Generation, CJNG, one of Mexico's most violent and prolific transnational criminal organizations. The suspects allegedly believed the weapons would be used to support the cartel's large-scale cocaine trafficking into the United States. The U.S. has designated CJNG a foreign terrorist organization. Lieutenant Katungi has denied the allegations, calling them malicious. Unlike his co-accused, who have been arrested and are either in custody or facing extradition, Katungi remains at large.
Namely, these people, they don't know what is called US. US egenda okuvaayo okwogera ekintu eba erina buli data eba ikulinako buli kajulizi buli konna. Okitegedde buli kimu baba kirina. Kati Muhoozi okugoba ono agezaako okwedistancinga naye ate nga naye kyamulidde dda kirimu akati bwevu ate yesi yekka ne taata waabwe Museveni byonna babirina. Muhoozi tasobola kukola kintu nga toletamanyi era bateesa leetalo tukole kino ABCD nti kale kozesa Katungi. Bano bali mabega wa mitayimbwa bawedde dda.
PLU describes itself as a civic organization seeking to have Gen Muhoozi succeed his father, President Museveni, as head of state. Before firing Katungi, Gen Muhoozi had indicated that the matter was under internal review. I am waiting for an internal report on our Commissioner for External Affairs. As chairman of PLU, I shall take the final decision on his position amongst us. Our members do not have to be concerned about anything, he posted earlier. PLU is a patriotic movement of selfless nationalists. We do not care for money or material things. We care only for Uganda and her people. Gen Muhoozi had regularly deployed Lieutenant Katungi to represent him abroad, including meeting supporters in the diaspora. On April 4, 2025, he posted on X that Katungi was his envoy to gang leaders in Haiti, inviting them to Kampala to discuss peace in August. Lieutenant Katungi replied, "Thank you, our generational leader, for the trust in me. We will reach out and bring them to Kampala. Thank you for your tireless efforts to resolve conflicts in our region, across Africa and beyond. The PLU, which promises change, improved livelihoods, and a tougher stance on crime, has nonetheless faced questions over several of its top leaders facing criminal charges. Its Director of Mobilization, Ayogera County East MP Michael Muwanda, is in court over allegations of defrauding the government of 3.4 billion shillings in cooperative compensation funds. Despite his arrest, he remains in his position. When Muwanda was charged, Jane Muhoozi defended him publicly. Those who ask me about Michael Muwanda, he is my friend. I do not abandon my friends when they are in need. That has never been my character. Even our Lord Jesus Christ had friends. Lazarus was his friend, whom Christ resurrected. Muwanda is in hell, but he will surely live again. Lieutenant Katungi responded to that post. Well said, our beloved incoming Vice President. I've been telling them the bonds of friendship and comradeship are very strong and important in the struggle. At Michael Muwanda, one will prevail, sir. Jane Muhoozi has also described Muwanda as a political prisoner and called for his release. Abagala at ug.nationmedia.com. Stay updated by following our WhatsApp and Telegram channels. Daily Monitor Telegram channel. Daily Monitor WhatsApp channel.
Kale tuyanza Daily Monitor ebigambo bituwadde bulungi